struggling with any of these in spin, I mean, this is actually a good drill even for anti-spin, but if you're struggling with anything in underhand, especially in these top positions, you can play with this drill here, where, like, in the beginning, this sort of shit happens, right? See how, okay, there's a couple of elements to it that I think are meaningful. One, it's getting it up all the way and not letting it slip forward like this. And then two, it's the timing. And then three, it's not letting the plane collapse in on itself or fall out on itself, and having the two of them parallel to each other while you have that strong core. And then you should be focusing on the Pilates posture with the earlobes over the shoulders, over the hips, over the heels. For this particular drill, I also think it's important that you maintain the tuck of your pelvis here, so that when your hands are up here, you're not doing this business where you're letting your midsection soften and you're putting pressure on your lower back that you don't need. So I think you have to maintain more of your core muscles when they're both up there like that. And then you can do there's some amount of bounce in the elbow, and there's a lot of rotation in the wrist and the hand to keep it up.